That's what sets Cleveland Clinic London apart.
Yeah, I think what sets Cleveland Clinic apart is that it's...
Sorry, we're better have a London in that as well.
Oh, yeah. Let me just... Yeah. Cleveland Clinic London is set apart by the fact that it delivers a healthcare model which is tried and tested. It's bringing the best and brightest talent in London together with a system which has got a proven track record. And so I think it's that combination which is the winning combination.
Brilliant. Let's just have one more now that you've worked it in. So,
yes.
Yeah, I think that I could see the gears turning a little bit more than normal. So, let's have that one again. What is it that sets Cleveland Clinic London apart?
Cleveland Clinic London delivers a tried and tested model from... let me start again. Should I say from the United States?
Yeah, because everyone knows that's where they've come from. I mean, it's in the name. So, yeah, absolutely. You can reference that. It's only when we're talking about here that we have to get it.
Right. Cleveland Clinic London delivers a model of care from the United States, which is tried and tested, and it has brought together this along with the best and brightest talent in London medicine, and I think it's this combination which will deliver best patient care.
Excellent. There are just a couple of things. I wonder whether we can broaden it out, because obviously we've got people coming that are not just in London based. So you could say Europe, because that will contrast so much with what you said about the States. So I think that feels like a good idea. I mean, obviously it's bigger than that. You could say internationally would probably be even better.
So which bit international?
You said something about how it's brought together the model along with the best of clinical expertise in London.
Yes.
But I think if we say
international expertise.
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly that. And then only at the end did you say, and this will bring the best care for patients. It's a present tense thing again.
And this
avoid will.
and this brings.
And this brings.
Yeah, and this brings the best care. Right. Okay. Right.
Shall I pitch it in? Because I think it.
Yes. Do that. Yeah.
With the question. So, what sets Cleveland Clinic London apart?
Cleveland Clinic London brings the. No, let me start again. Okay. Cleveland Clinic London brings a tried and tested model from the States and combines that with best.
I'll give you a second to just get through, but I think the words are all there. It's just
yes, it's a jigsaw. Right. Okay, here we go. Right. Cleveland Clinic London brings a tried and tested model from the United States and combines this with the best and brightest international talent. And I think it's this combination which is a winning combination which really provides... That last bit, it's that last bit. What is the last bit?
What is the last bit? And then once you've got that, you can...
Yes, yeah. Which delivers excellent patient care.
I was going to bring it back to the patients, definitely.
Delivers excellent patient care. Right, got it. The Cleveland... No. Right. Cleveland Clinic London brings a tried and tested model from the United States and combines this with the best and brightest international medical talent. And I think it's this combination which delivers excellent patient care.
Is that not right?
Did I say will deliver or delivers?
I think delivers.
Delivers, yeah.
Did
I do a funny face at the end?
Yeah, you said on the last syllable, you just went, "Bah." That's good though. I think that's it. Now just keep it fresh.
Yeah.
The words are there. It's almost getting so past that it feels a bit rehearsed.
Right.
So
Got you.
Some of that thought.
Yes.
Slower. And,
right. Okay.
All of the sort of flowery embellishments that you might add.
Yes.
If it was the first time.
Okay. Cleveland Clinic London is an institution which brings a tried and tested model from the United States and combines this with the best and brightest international medical talent. And I think it's this combination which will provide...
You can take it from there. And it's this combination. If you take it from there, we can cut them together.
Okay. Shall I just say, and it's... Let me do the whole thing. Right. Okay. The Cleveland... No.
Let me pitch it.
Yeah, pitch it.
I always think that warms it up.
Yeah.
So what sets Cleveland Clinic London apart?
Right. Cleveland Clinic London is based on a tried and tested model from the United States, and it's combined with the best and brightest international medical expertise. And it's this winning combination which provides best patient care.
Nice. That's good. That's good. I think that's it.
Fine.
If you're happy with it, I'm happy with it. I think
Are you happy with it?
One more run, because I do feel like it's feeling a bit like
rehearsed.
Thinking.
Yes.
And I think it's more memory that I'm seeing. Whereas throughout the rest of it,
yeah.
It feels really natural, and
right.
I think it might jar.
Okay. Right. Got you.
Just another run is probably worth doing.
Right. Cleveland Clinic London is based on a tried and tested model from the United States, and this is combined with the best and brightest international medical expertise, and it's this combination which is the winning combination to provide excellent patient care.
Great. So almost that extra repetition in there was kind of, it just made it feel a bit more natural,
yes.
and it kind of gives it a bit more impact.
Fine.
Lovely. Very good. I think
we're done.
Yeah,
perfect.
Is there anything you did want to do again? I mean, I just felt, I think it was worth doing it again.
Yes.
As it was good the other day, I actually do think this was better. Sometimes it isn't, but that was...
No, this was definitely better, or I felt it was better. No, I think that's everything.
Are we done life outside of work?
Oh.
You're right.
Now
that's the last question, and I skipped it. So
yeah, last time that went well, but you can't use two different backgrounds, actually, can you? Yeah, yeah.
All right, yes, sorry, you're right. I did just...
No, that's correct.
I got distracted by this one that we don't often ask, and now
yes.
we're done. So I'll ask it now. Finally, tell us a little bit about your life outside of work. What do you like to do? What's important to you? And how does that have a bearing on you as a professional?
Okay. Outside of work, my family takes up most of my time, so my wife and 2 children keep me busy. If I get any other free time, I love to read, so be it biographies, history, politics. I love playing squash and badminton. I have been known to undertake the odd DIY project in my time. And otherwise, you would probably find me pottering around my allotment with my children, attempting to grow various things, perhaps badly. I don't know, perhaps badly?
I like that. Yeah, I like that.
Should I go?
With that? And then I like that idea.
Should I do it without that, just in case?
I think it did make me laugh bigger than I expected, so maybe it is worth having another one. You can make it. I guess what I like is that it's quite a humble thing to say. You know, maybe with varying levels of success would be better than saying perhaps badly.
You don't want to use words like bad in it. Yeah.
I think you're right. And even when it comes to growing things, can you grow things badly? It just felt like a weird way of saying that.
Okay.
So I mean, maybe with varying levels of success is perhaps
with varying levels of success.
Whatever.
That's better.
Yeah, let's just have a whole run at that one again. As much as all of it was great, let's just to get that last line. Tell us a little bit about your life outside of work, what you like to do, what's important, and how it has a bearing on your professional life.
Okay. Most of the time outside of work is taken up by my family. My wife and 2 children keep me busy. If I have any other free time, I love to read, be that biographies, history, politics. I love to play squash and badminton. I have been known to take on the odd DIY project in my time. And otherwise, I think you'll find me pottering around my allotment with my children, attempting to grow things.
Perfect. That's it. That's the one.
That's it. Lovely.
Perfect. Well,
great. Thank you so much.
That really was worth doing. Any questions from yourself? No. Okay, good. We'll go through this process, then we'll release you from the microphone and we'll take you into the other room to do some headshots.
Okay.
So, yeah, we'll just go somewhere else, and then you'll be free to go back to Page and carry on with whatever paperwork there was. Lovely. Okay, happy to go?
That was good.
All straight?
Okay, right. Talk to me all the way through, ignore the cameras. So,
sure.
Can you give me a little introduction? Tell me who you are, what do you do, and what attracted you to work at the Cleveland Clinic London?
So I'm Dr. Ravi Ratnaville. I'm the clinical lead for dermatology at Cleveland Clinic London. It's a great honour to be a part of this world-class institution, to be able to serve the needs of our patients in the best possible way possible.
Excellent. Really nice. Really nice. Okay. So tell me why you became the clinician that you are. What drove you into this career?
Dermatology is probably one of the last true clinical specialties. We don't do many tests. We might do a skin biopsy, but we're not a very technological speciality. So it's really me and the patient and 2,500 conditions, which is challenging, fun, and rewarding, because it allows us, diagnosis is the cornerstone of management, and making the right diagnosis allows us to offer the best treatment for our patients.
Excellent. Perfect length.